Hello, this is Blanco with CIDAN Machinery Group. We're here loading the trucks for FRSA. I wanted to give you a little behind the scenes look of how we load the trucks for the show. And we'll see you this week, June 11th and June 12th, booth 105 at the FRSA trade show in Orlando, Florida.